inside China's legendary large-scale ceramic workshops. How do you make a ceramic vase taller than a person? It sounds almost impossible. Clay is soft, fragile, and surprisingly heavy. Yet in Jingdezhen, China's world-famous porcelain capital, craftsmen have been creating monumental ceramic works for centuries. Today, we're stepping inside one of Jingdezhen's large-scale ceramic workshops to discover how these remarkable pieces are made, and why even with modern technology, giant ceramics remain one of the greatest challenges in ceramic art. Unlike the delicate teacups and elegant porcelain that Jingdezhen is famous for, the works produced here are monumental. Some vases rise well above 2 meters in height. Others are enormous storage jars, several times larger than a household bathtub. These impressive pieces are created for hotels, museums, public spaces, landscape projects, private collectors, and international exhibitions. For many ceramic artists, producing a large-scale work in Jingdezhen is a lifelong dream.
今天是7月3号，我现在是在景德镇，这里呢是位于景德镇西郊的昌南区。这个地点呢叫做宁风窑。宁风窑里面有好几个值得游客来观赏的地方。第一个呢是大件作坊，第二个呢是它里面有一座龙的形状的窑，叫龙窑。除此之外的话呢，在上面的2楼还有一个古画坊。那好，那就跟着我的视频来参观一下宁风窑。
This tradition has deep historical roots. As early as the Ming Dynasty, the imperial kilns of Jingdezhen were producing magnificent blue and white dragon jars for the imperial court. These monumental vessels demonstrated extraordinary craftsmanship and became symbols of the highest level of ceramic production in China. More than 600 years later, the techniques have improved, but the challenges remain remarkably similar. The first challenge begins with the clay. The larger the vessel becomes, the greater the pressure created by its own weight. The clay must be strong enough to support itself while remaining flexible enough to shape by hand. If the material is too soft, the walls may collapse long before the piece reaches the kiln. Building the vessel is another extraordinary process. Most people imagine a giant vase being thrown on a wheel in one piece. In reality, that almost never happens. The foot, lower body, shoulder, neck, and rim are usually thrown separately. Each section is carefully shaped, partially dried, and then joined together with remarkable precision. Every connection matters. A tiny mistake made during assembly may not become visible until days later, when correcting it is no longer possible. Once assembled, the surface is refined and the vessel is left to dry slowly. Patience is critical. Drying too quickly can create invisible cracks that may destroy weeks of work during firing.
请问您贵姓？
我姓肖。
这里是
林风窑。
好嘞，肖老师跟对着我的视频说一个 hello。大家好。好这个是由于这个
多原因，就是说可能也是蜡笔里面出现了有点小空气啊。
是由于前2天暴雨，现在突然太阳出来了，
也不一定
暴晒造成的吗？
也不是，对，有些暴晒可以。这个栗皮，就是你有一点小的东西，有小气泡，可能一晒裂，这个一长。
这个一开裂之后，就等于说这个前面的工作就白费掉了。
对，这个要打掉，回收吧。
它这个泥还能够再次使用吗？
对，可以回收它们重新炼。
The kiln presents the next challenge. Even today, firing a giant ceramic vessel remains unpredictable. Inside the kiln, temperatures rise to around 1,300 degrees Celsius. The clay shrinks, the glaze melts, and the entire structure undergoes enormous physical stress. Cracks, warping, glaze defects, or even complete collapse can occur despite weeks of careful preparation. Every kiln opening is filled with anticipation. Success is never guaranteed. Another surprising fact is that giant ceramics are rarely made by a single person. Behind every finished work is a team of specialists. Some prepare the clay. Others throw the individual sections. Some focus on joining, trimming, glazing, decorating, or operating the kilns. Creating one monumental ceramic piece is truly a collaborative effort. Transporting these works is a challenge in itself. Large vessels are simply too heavy to move by hand. Electric forklifts, lifting equipment, and specially designed supports are used throughout the workshop to move the clay safely from one stage to the next. Modern technology has transformed large-scale ceramic production, but it has never replaced craftsmanship. Powerful electric wheels allow potters to throw hundreds of kilograms of clay. Forklifts and lifting platforms reduce physical strain and improve safety. These machines do not make the art. They simply allow skilled craftsmen to achieve what would otherwise be impossible. Decoration is perhaps the most visually impressive stage. Painting a giant ceramic vase is much like creating a mural. Artists often work from ladders or elevated platforms, carefully moving around the curved surface while maintaining balanced proportions and flowing brushstrokes. Unlike painting on a flat canvas, every line must respond to the changing shape of the vessel. It demands patience, concentration, and years of experience. This unique combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology is one reason artists from around the world continue coming to Jingdezhen. Many arrive with their own artistic concepts, but rely on local master craftsmen to build the large ceramic forms. Once the structure is complete, the visiting artists add their own drawings, paintings, or sculptural ideas, while experienced technicians oversee glazing and firing. The result is a true collaboration between artistic vision and technical expertise. If you're planning to create a large ceramic sculpture, prepare work for an international exhibition, or commission a custom installation, Jingdezhen offers something few places in the world can provide: a complete production ecosystem. From artist residencies and workshop coordination to kiln services, accommodation, logistics, storage, and international shipping, every stage can be professionally supported. Of course, not every visitor comes here to create. Many simply want to witness one of the world's most extraordinary ceramic traditions. Watching hundreds of kilograms of clay slowly transformed into a monumental work of art is an unforgettable experience. Standing beside a finished vase taller than yourself, you begin to appreciate the scale, the patience, and the teamwork hidden behind every masterpiece. Jingdezhen is more than the porcelain capital of China. It is a place where history, craftsmanship, engineering, and artistic imagination continue to come together, shaping the future of ceramics while honoring centuries of tradition. Thank you for watching. I'm Li Sheng, the narrator and video editor of this documentary. If you enjoy stories about ceramic artists, traditional craftsmanship, and creative life in Jingdezhen, I'd love to have you join me on future journeys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next documentary.